Welcome to another deep dive into the flavorful world of culinary history. Today, we're serving up Gumbo History, the story of one of the most iconic dishes of Louisiana. Stick around to discover its fascinating origins, cultural influences, and how it became a beloved symbol of Creole cuisine. When you think of Louisiana, what comes to mind? Jazz? Mardi Gras? Well, for food lovers, it's gumbo. But where does this delicious dish come from? That's the question we'll answer as we unravel Gumbo history. Gumbo is more than just a stew. It's a melting pot of cultures, much like Louisiana itself. To understand Gumbo history, we need to explore the diverse roots that make it what it is today. Let's travel back in time. Gumbo's story begins in West Africa, where the word gumbo originates from the term ngombo, meaning okra. Okra was brought to the Americas by enslaved Africans, becoming a key ingredient in early versions of gumbo. This marks the first chapter in Gumbo history. The French influence came next. In the 18th century, French colonists brought their culinary traditions to Louisiana, including soups and stews thickened with a roux, a mixture of flour and fat. The combination of roux with African okra laid the foundation for the gumbo we know today. But it doesn't stop there. Enter the Spanish, who added peppers and tomatoes, and the Choctaw people, who contributed file powder, made from ground sassafras leaves. These layers of influence are what make Gumbo history so rich and unique. By the 19th century, gumbo had evolved into two main styles: the Creole version, often featuring okra, and the Cajun version, which relies on a dark roux for its distinctive flavor. Let's talk about the star ingredients. From shrimp and crab to sausage and chicken, gumbo reflects the ingredients that were available to different communities. And that's what makes Gumbo history so fascinating. It's a dish that adapts to its environment, blending whatever is fresh and local. Did you know gumbo was officially recognized as Louisiana's state dish in 2004? By then, gumbo had become a symbol of cultural unity, representing the blend of African, French, Spanish, and Native American traditions. Every bowl of gumbo tells a story, a flavorful chapter in Gumbo history. Now that you know the backstory, you might be wondering, what makes a perfect gumbo? That's the beauty of it. There's no single recipe. Whether it's seafood gumbo with shrimp and crab or a hearty chicken and sausage version, the magic lies in the layers of flavor. So there you have it, the incredible journey of gumbo, a dish born from the fusion of cultures and centuries of history. The next time you enjoy a bowl of gumbo, remember you're not just eating a meal, you're savoring a piece of gumbo history. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite gumbo style? Thanks for joining us on this flavorful adventure through Gumbo history. See you next time.